Hello, how are you, dear Bengali learners? We have finished 12th class, and in the previous class we learned alphabet pronunciation. It was oi, and we also learned two words. One is oikko, it's mean unity, and second word is oitijjo, it's mean tradition. And we have just remained two vowel sound and two alphabet as well. So number one, it is O. It's mean long O sound. We can call it O, 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 O. The sound is O, long O. Here is given the example: goal, 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 goal. And you can even look. This is the symbol of this O. This is the symbol. Like this is the symbol. Here is look. Here is a word. Let's go. This is the symbol of this. Okay. So O. We can pronounce the word long O sound. All, goal, goal, O, like this. And the second one is ozone, 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 ozone. It's mean wet. Ozone, it's mean wet. Goal, it's mean round. Goal, it's mean round. Goal, it's mean round. So we also learned two words. So we have finished it today, and we have just remained one vocabulary. I mean, just one alphabet. See you in the next class. And if you don't subscribe my channel, just go and subscribe my channel. And if you don't watch the previous lesson, go the listen. I will upload the full Bengali series. I think this video will helpful for you. So thank you for watching. Bye.